One of the key thinkers of the philosophy of Stoicism and Greek philosopher Epictetus said, "It is not death or pain that is to be dreaded, but the fear of pain or death, meaning we should fear neither death nor pain. We should not be afraid of death or pain, but rather we should be afraid of the fear of death or pain, meaning we should be fearful of the fear of dying or suffering pain, because that creates the real pain and the real tragedy of life. When we are afraid of anything which is outside our control and beyond the power of our will, then we become more miserable than we should be. And that is also what happens when we think about death or pain. We should not be afraid of those things, because everything is a part of life. If beauty, harmony, happiness are parts of life, then death, suffering, sorrow, pain are also equally the equivalent parts of life that make it complete and absolute. And therefore, we should not be intimidated by either fear of death or pain, but rather we should be willing and courageous enough to undertake and suffer from pain, adversity, misfortune, and so forth, so that we become stronger, better, wiser, and more intelligent than we previously were. And that's why it's important not to fear anything, but rather it's important actually to continue to move forward and to handle and take and accept new challenges, conflicts, and complexities, so that we better our mind, recognize our emotions better, and become an overall better human being that helps not only himself but also the others around. And that's why, if we are fearful or if we are afraid of death, pain, or anything which is outside our control, then we're definitely going to be miserable, tragical, and we're going to suffer a lot more than is needed or necessary. And therefore, we should not be afraid of anything or anyone which we cannot control or which is outside of our body, because we can only control our own emotions, decisions, choices